I'm about to go watch a movie in the van, and I love having popcorn. I gotta have my popcorn! But I don't have a microwave in my van. How do I get it done? Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and I travel part-time in my ProMaster City cargo van converted by Cascade Campers with my Chihuahua Zeus. Anyways, we are at Base Camp Kitchen. Obviously you can see that I'm not in the van. And I wanted to show you this nice little hack about how to make microwave popcorn in your pot. That's right, you don't need a microwave just to do microwave popcorn. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we are going to put our fuel into our little stove here. Put the nozzle part into the little hole here with the little flap. There you go. Are we in? Yes. We are going to lock it. All right. But the first part is getting out my pot. Now everyone knows this is my kitchen. So we are going to use my pot, the lid, and the scraper. All right, here's the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and get my handle out. I'm going to get my scraper out. And my pot. All right, so now I'm going to attach my handle to my pot right here. Hear it click, there you go. All right, and now I've got my top for my pan. Now, I'm also going to use this. This is actually a dish. It's water sealable. This is like a sink, okay? But I'm going to use this as my popcorn bowl. All right. So are you ready? So we're going to take a pair of scissors and get ready. We're going to open up the package. All right. And everybody knows the normal package of microwave popcorn. Do you see these creases? We're going to cut them right here. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to cut this. The reason is each one of these packets contains enough seed, oil, butter, and salt for one serving of popcorn. As you can see, there's just very little in the bag, and that's okay to dispose of. Now we're going to throw those out, and I'm going to keep this. What I do is I literally just go down the seam and open it up. To reveal this. Now, I will take my scraper and I will scrape all the goodies off. Where are you going to go? Right into the pan. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to take the paper and just scrape it off. Because ultimately this is where it's going to go. Again, all the microwave popcorns have all the right amount of salt, butter, popcorn, and everything else. So why carry all these extra ingredients just to make popcorn? I get as much of it as I can because I want that butter. I mean, what popcorn without some butter? So what I'm doing is I'm just scraping every little bit that I can. All the folds, every last kernel. So now, I'm going to use my little trivet here as my cutting board. Scrape it onto the edge. That's all the buttery goodness. All right. And now you can throw the paper away. So what you end up having is something like this. And that's okay. Because now, we're going to bring back our stove. We're going to light it. Take it down a little bit. And now, we're going to take our scraper. We're going to dissolve all this oil. All the kernels, all the oils. So all this is now going to, as you can see, it's already starting to melt. So you're just going to separate them out. See, it's already starting to liquefy. And again, use the side of the pan to scrape because it will melt and it will go into that yummy yumminess. So you can see. So this defeats having, the right amount of salt, the right amount of butter, because guess what? You're going to get it. I make sure and I stir it all around. When I see that first kernel pop, I'm going to put the cover on. Make sure you have your bowl that you're going to put this in close by. So I'm going to put it right here. Oh, it's about ready. Oh, seen the first one. So I'm going to put the cover on. And I'm just going to swirl it around. So I'm going to swirl it around now. Did you hear him popping? Don't open it. Now, just like the microwave, when you hear it slow down a bit, it's pretty much going to be done. Okay, I'm just going to see. Yep, it's done. Turn off your stove. Pour it in. Now, if you want to add extra salt, everything else, but there you go. Popcorn from microwave popcorn. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell because that does help me out. Do appreciate that, but yum yum, I'm going to go watch a movie.